Yes. So whenever we buy or sell a property, we often come across a document called the power of attorney. Now, what is a power of attorney? Suppose you are in a particular city and you are selling a property in some other city, and you are not able to, go in person to sell the property for your work commitments or travel commitments. You usually give a power of attorney to somebody. Now that somebody usually is a family member. So when you are a buyer, when you're buying a property from somebody who has given a power attorney, it's very important to understand few things around how a power attorney works. Now, first of all, you need to see who is giving the power attorney to whom, whether it is given to a close blood family member or not. Whether it has been executed in a proper way or not, which means whether the power attorney is a registered power attorney or it's a notarized power attorney, which country it has been executed at, when it has been executed. So whenever you receive a power attorney, and if there's any power attorney in the chain of the title document of the property, all those power attorney documents are important. So when you receive one, you need to first check whether the document is a registered document or a notarized document. If it is a notarized document, whether your state, your sub-registrar will accept that or not. And if it's a registered document, has the proper stamp duty been paid for it? Because if you give a power attorney to a family member, there's a standard power attorney, standard stamp duty. But when you give it to a friend or somebody, then the stamp duty is higher. After you receive the power attorney, it needs to be adjudicated by the district registrar office. So you need to ensure that the power attorney has been validated by the district registrar office to ensure whether they will take it or accept the document for registration or not. It is also good to take a confirmation from the person who's given the power attorney, so that you are sure that the power attorney is still valid, it's not been misused, and the person who has given the power attorney to the next person has is aware that the transaction is happening and accepts it. So it's important to take a written confirmation from them. Usually a power attorney has a validity of about 12 months, but if it's a registered power attorney, there's no validity seen, but still it's good to take a confirmation from the seller always. So a transaction where power attorney is involved is a very legally, very critical document. So you need to ensure that you are consulting a lawyer or you're understanding, what your bank requires in terms of power attorney, and you close loop each and every items in terms of the legal consequences of that. Right. So again, a very, very elaborate topic. So please, feel free to reach out to me for any queries on this. Be careful whenever you're getting into a power attorney transaction. And yeah, follow me on LinkedIn. I'm there as Piyush Agarwal, on YouTube and Instagram as the Piyush the Mortgage Guy. Thank you so much.